Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to set up Yahoo Fantasy Football League. In order to do this, we're going to open our Yahoo Fantasy app. So you're going to go over to Football, and then at the top right corner, you're going to tap on Add League. Now the Add League option gives you the options to draft now, draft later, or you can create your league, and that's why we're here. So we're going to tap on Create League, and here are some of the settings. You can see the league name, which of course you can change to your preference, which is going to leave it at Remarkable League. And then you have Create League. There are two options. You can either start from scratch, where you get to set up a customized league in a few simple steps, or you can go ahead and copy other league settings. Now we have some other leagues, so we could use these settings, but that's a case if you have other existing leagues. So let's assume we're starting from scratch. We're going to tap on Next. After selecting Start from Scratch, and then here you have the scoring type. You have head-to-head, where you get to have new matchup every week and top score wins. You have the guillotine, where the lowest scoring team is eliminated each week, and you have season points. The most popular, however, is the head-to-head option. So we're going to say next after having chosen that. And you can see your remarkable team is ready to go. You have your league settings, and under the league settings, you can see league name, the scoring type, the draft type, and the draft schedule. Of course, this is a preset draft schedule, which is just a suggestion. You could go ahead and choose that. But of course, you could go ahead and make some changes right here to the date. If we tap on the date, you can see that the date option can be selected here. You could also choose the time. This is pretty much up to you, but you can see a red notification right there. Your draft date is after the start of the fantasy football season. So if this is your case, it's going to let you know when your scoring will start. For this case, it says September 16. You could decide to schedule later or tap and finish right now. If we tap and finish, our remarkable league at the top is ready to go. Now, of course, the next important thing to do is to invite others. You can see that at this area right here, it says invite your friends to the league, and there is a big blue button, invite friends. But just above it, you can see one confirmed team with 4 required to draft. So this is a setting you need 4 at least to start the draft, and you might want to start inviting your friends to begin having fun with it. Of course, at the top, you can see transactions, proposal of trades, draft, league chat, etc. Then you also have tools. If you tap on tools, this will lead you to your remarkable leagues setting options, such as league settings, commissioner tools, edit draft time, where you can change the draft time, or you could also change or edit the team info. So with this, you can see how you can set up your Yahoo Fantasy Football League. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.